justice, fighting for our rights, freedom, and everything.
Thank you.
Guys.
And I'm also loving what you guys are doing, not just me. Yes, Manya peke yangu. Tunaona watu wote wenye hapa ni Mayange.
Mnatuona? Kuja hapa kuniambiwa na Madam Boss tumedunda inadi na kama Gen Z. If you are for Gen Z, we are for Gen Z. If you are for us, we are for you.
Gen Z,
Tuesday ni mauano.
Tunaanguka nayo.
Tuesday.
Anguka nayo.
Endelea kuanguka nayo. Tuesday.
The day after tomorrow.
Yeah, the day after tomorrow.
We are going out for protest.
Sawa.
What want this government?
My name is Wanjiko Sini. I'm an actor. I'm a fashion stylist. Na mimi ni mwanaharakati. Yeah.
We saw you on the street. Huh? What was the message?
The message is young people stay strong, stay focused, don't be fooled, do not relent. Yeah.
So far, on what you guys have been doing, do you see any progress?
We see progress, but it's very small. But we always say that every journey begins with a step, and every step does count. Yeah.
Okay, on this journey now, whatever you have started, how long do you want to go with it?
As long as change hasn't changed, as long as we don't see enough change, then we can go as long as we can and as we stay strong.
So, what is the end?
The end game is
Change. The end game is change.
hold on.
The end game is
The end game is seeing younger people being promoted to, because we all know that they're very learned. Most of them have degrees, most of them have masters, lakini wanakamua ng'ombe nyumbani. You understand? Alafu wale watu wenye hawajapita mtihani huko ndio wanatuwakilisha. Make it make sense.
wazee.
Yeah.
Sema tu wazee.
Wazee, watu wa 710.
Okay. So, Wanjiko, being a filmmaker and a content creator, I would want to ask you a question.
Right.
What is next? What do you expect from me next on film?
First of all, I always say I'm not famous. I am not to people. I'm a people's person. So don't call me famous, don't call me a celebrity. So don't ask me anything to do with fame, because that's not my game.
No, you didn't get my question right. My question is, what do you expect from you on film?
I'm already working on something. I'm not acting. I'm doing something that is always like my first passion, which is fashion styling. So when we talk about film, it's probably like number 5. Yeah.
Awesome. So good people, yes. This is Wanjiko Stevens for you today on John
In
Wangwati.
the area, tumetoka crusade ya Commander. Ana support Gen Z, consequences.
Yes. We have to support Mr. Consequences, our Commander.
True story.